Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of a Philips Sonicare. This is electric toothbrush which I bought from Costco. So it is discounted by $35. So it used to be $170 something and the price now is $135. And yeah, what's inside is a tube, a pair of brush. I think it has a case. It says here this one has three brushing modes: clean, white, and gum care, and UV sanitizer. This one to make your brush sanitize after use. So okay, let's open this box. See what's inside. Oh. Okay. That's it. There's a manual and backdrop. And let's see what's inside. This is a traveling case. Brush. Fits like this. Oh, I want to fit it. And it's for here. And so like this. And then you're going to put. Oops. It should be like this. For traveling. Here, see? Handy, compact. You put in your backpack or luggage when you're on the go. And let's take it off. And put it back like this. Our last electric brush is a Oral-B, but it has a hole here. And sometimes it pinched my lips, or I'll show you. As you can see, these are old Oral-B electric brush. This hole, sometimes it pinch my lips or skin on your mouth. Oops. Sorry. Those rotating metal, sometimes the skin goes inside and it hurts. Unlike this one, the Philips Sonicare, there's nothing here. It's closed, so it's not that annoying. And alright, we'll go straight to the sanitizer. Okay, let's try to sanitize. It says in the manual is you have to put the toothbrush head facing this metal, and the other one also. Put it this way, and turn it on. See, there's a light. That means it's working now. This one will be sanitizing for 10 minutes and it will shut off by itself afterwards. And that's it, that's clean. And I suggest just leave those brush head inside. And once you want to use it, just take it off and put it in the handle. And don't wash this. I mean, there's the proper cleaning way of this one on the manual. If you have this one, you can check on the manual on how to clean this, or I'll post another video about cleaning the sanitizer. Okay. And okay, let's pretend that it's 10 minutes already. Okay, and let's put this back. And to use this, clean is the normal mode. I think this will move. I mean the brush head will move on the regular speed. When with the white mode, yep, again in the white mode, this is let's see. Then again, let's go to the clean mode. As you can see, the clean mode, the movement is not regular, it's fast. Then going to white mode, you have to press the lower button. And in white mode, after 2 minutes, the handle will continue to brush for 30 seconds so that you can brighten and polish your front teeth. So white mode is, I think, is for front teeth. So maybe like that for 2 minutes. So you can see the strength of how the movement of brush head is not that fast compared to clean. Can I show you? The clean mode is fast, and at the white mode, it's a little bit slow. I mean, compared to to clean mode. And then it says in the manual, after 2 minutes, it will continue to move for 30 seconds. The gum care is 2 minutes plus 1 minute for the gum care to massage your gums. So we turn for 2 minutes for the normal brushing of all your teeth, and plus 1 minute for the gum care. Okay, that's the clean mode of this brush. That's nice. You have some options. And yeah, that's it on how to use this. I can't show you how to use this on your teeth, but it says in the manual you have to divide your teeth to 4 sections, or like front left, front right, and then back left, back right section. And also you can use this for your tongue. It depends on how you want it. If you want to brush your teeth with this on or off, it's up to you. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to brush your teeth.